I'm doing a home manicure today with TrySprig nail kit. This is a nail transformation kit and it's awesome. Let me show you what's inside it. So first you get this sleek fine grit nail file, which is great. You get a buffing block with 3 sides. The cool thing about this, it actually comes with the buffing block replacement pads. This is awesome, money saver. You don't have to buy a new one every couple of manicures. You just replace the pads. This is my favorite. This is the cuticle conditioning serum. I love it. This is nice because it comes out like a cream, just like this. Smells good, and it really nourishes the cuticle and makes them look super healthy. I like this for a couple days after my manicure. I can really freshen up my cuticles and make it look a lot better, and it makes your manicure last a bit longer. And the size of this is 1 fluid ounce. Like, this is gonna last forever. This is crazy. Like, I love it. This one's definitely my favorite. TrySprig, definitely worth it. Love it.